In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Go High Level. Whether you're new to Go High Level or just looking to update your skills, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can effectively manage your product list. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, type Go High Level into the search bar at the top. Hit Enter, and you'll see a list of results. Here, you'll want to click on the official site, which is www.gohighlevel.com. This will take you directly to the Go High Level homepage. Next, you need to log into your account. Click on the Login option and enter your credentials. Make sure your details are accurate to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything within Go High Level. Now, take a look at the left-hand menu. You're going to click on the Payments tab. This is where you can start managing and setting up your products. Once you've opened the Payments section, move your mouse over to the top of the page where you will find various drop-downs. Hover over the Products drop-down, and from the list that appears, go ahead and select Products. This will lead you to the Product Management page. On this page, you'll notice a blue button in the top right corner that says, Plus Create Product. Click this button to start adding a new product to your listing. This action will open up the product editor. Now, here's where you get the chance to customize and define your product settings. The product editor allows you to input crucial information about your product. First, you'll name your product and provide a detailed description. Make sure the description is clear and detailed to inform your potential buyers effectively. Next up is pricing. Set your product's price while being mindful of any competitive pricing or current market trends. Upload quality images, as these will be your product's first impression on potential customers. Manage your product inventory by detailing the quantities in stock. If your product has variations, like different colors or sizes, make sure to list these under Variants. Decide whether you want this product available in your online store and attach relevant labels and collections to organize it better. Make sure to include any information about taxes to ensure all pricing is transparent to your customers. Once you have filled in all the necessary fields with careful consideration, it's crucial to save your work. Look for and click the Save button, confirming that all your product details are securely stored within Go High Level. And there you have it. You've successfully added a product in Go High Level. Practice these steps, and soon, managing your products will become a seamless part of your business tasks.